Hey, my name is Mac Frederick. I'm the owner of Phone Repair Philly. This is our headquarter office in Center City, Philadelphia, one of 3 locations, and this is inside of a WeWork co-working space. This being our headquarters, it's a little different from the other locations. It's not a brick and mortar retail location on the street level. It's actually on the 2nd level where you check in. There's a front desk and come down and we greet you and you just kind of hang out, and we do the repair on the 3rd floor in our office. We also do computer repairs and tablet repairs. It's a really quiet and convenient setting with a lot of cool things going on. Coffees and water and snacks and free Wi-Fi. We actually even have our own draft beer, and there's a lot of shopping around the area, so you can just drop it off and come back or just hang out and just relax. Some books to read, some couches, cool decor. A really nice place to hang out for like a 20 or 30 minute repair. That's a really quick and easy and convenient process. Our hours are 10 to 6 throughout the week, and 12 to 6 on the weekends. The address is 1430 Walnut Street. It's in between Verizon and the And Pizza on 15th Street. Look for the WeWork co-working space, come up to the 2nd floor, and we'll make sure we take care of you.